video shows which functions are available with PCSnext when there is no connection to a device. The following explains how to open and analyze event log files, how to view, modify, and export parameter files, and how to analyze chart file content. Open the event log file function and import the event log file you want to open from your computer. For a better interpretation of the error event log text files can be imported using the Import Event Log Texts button. These XEMT files are available from ME Mobile Electronic. For a detailed description of the structure of the event list, please watch the video Event Log. Open the parameter file function and import the parameter file you want to open from your computer. To do this, use the Import Parameter Values and Texts button. Transfer the new values using the Apply All New Values button. You can change parameter values by entering the new parameter value in the New Value column. Whenever you adjust a parameter, you must update the build date and the version number, as shown here in the example with version v2.01.20 from October 19, 2025. After completing the parameter adjustment, transfer the new values using the Apply All New Values button. The parameter list can be exported and saved locally on the computer using the Export Parameter Values and Texts button. For a detailed description of the parameter list settings, please watch the video Parameters. Open the Show Chart File Content function and import the memory value recording you want to open from your computer. To do this, use the Import Recorded Chart Values button. Individual areas of the screen can be hidden using the Hide Cursor Values and Hide Axis Scale buttons. To display individual measured values, activate one of the two cursors and move it with the mouse pointer to the point in time you want to analyze. If both cursors are activated, a third column with values appears in the table. Here, either the deviation or the slope between cursor 1 and cursor 2 can be displayed. For a detailed description of the individual functions, please watch the video Workflows.